we have to do subtraction. How we do this? First, we have to rewrite our numbers in vertical columns, aligning the decimal points. So we have 607 decimal point 4075 minus we have 375 decimal point 252, because in the second decimal number we have only 3 decimal places. In first we have 4, so we can add extra 0. It doesn't change the value of our number, and now it will be easier to do subtraction. Next step, we subtract decimal numbers the same like we subtract whole numbers. So first, in my opinion, it's good to check if we have on the top numbers greater than on the bottom. 5 is greater than 0, okay, 7 greater than 2, and we have 0 and 5. So 0 is less than 5, we have to do borrowing. So from 4 I will borrow 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, and next we will have 10 in the third column from the right, and next we have 7 is greater than 5, and again we have 0 and 7, so we need to borrow from 6 1. 6 minus 1 will be 5, and now we have 10. So now everything is okay. On the top we have greater numbers than on the bottom. We can do subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. We copy decimal point in the same column. 7 minus 5 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And now you can always check. We have 2, 3, 2, decimal point 1, 5, 5, 5, plus 3, 7, 5, decimal point 2, 5, 2, 0. How we add decimal numbers? The same like you add whole numbers. So we start from the last column and we are going to the left side. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 5 is 10, so we have 0, and we add 1 to next column, so it will be 4. Decimal point we copy. 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, so we have 0, and we take 1 to next column, so it will be 6. We got the same number which we have at the beginning, so our solution is correct.